Why Honda? Why? Why did you do this?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Roshan Manager and you are watching Automania. Today we are at Vision Honda Durgapur to review the all-new Honda Hornet 2.0. And guys, if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. So now, let's get started with today's bike review. The Honda Hornet 2.0 has become smaller, but only by design, not the way it rides. The engine performance has increased substantially, but the way it looks, if it parked to the older generation 160 variant, it will look definitely smaller. The Honda Hornet's headlamps is beautiful. Its LED headlamp is complemented by the butch looking fuel extensions. The indicator and the tail lamps are all LED. It's a really good job done by Honda. It's neat and clean and slick. While the tail section design is carried out straightforward from Honda 160R's design. But still, we don't have any complaints about that. Let's talk about the engine. This motorcycle is powered by an air-cooled fuel-injected 184cc engine, producing a power of 17.2 PS at 8,500 RPM and 16.1 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. The engine is more powerful and torqueier than that of the BS4 CB Hornet 160R's motor, which made around 15.09 PS and 14.5 Nm of torque. It also comes with the friction reduction technology, which you can also call as the roller rocker arm, and the thermal efficiency enhancing technologies like the piston cooling jet for optimum performance and mileage. So these technologies are first from Honda in this segment, and boy oh boy, that does impress. But what I feel, this bike is very good in the city and for the mid-range driving, but if you go to try and hit the top speed, this bike won't do justice to your riding. I feel this bike is very perfect for day-to-day office work, for day-to-day traveling to friends' place or occasional Sunday rides. But if you try to hit the top speed quite often, I don't think this bike will suit your need. It's all about usability and the way the power is delivered to the engine in the low to mid-range. From the spec sheet, it is really clearly visible that the board is little bit bigger and cooperation ratio has been an improvement. But Honda claims that there is no connection with the 160's engine. It's a brand new development and offering from Honda Motors. So what you get with that offering is 22cc more and 1.4 Nm of torque and around 2 horsepower more. So Honda is saying it's a brand new engine. What do you think, guys? Is this engine good enough? It is a very sweet motorcycle. Rather than going wow, it's amazing bike, it's gonna be wow, it's a sweet and cute little bike. Mark my words, this bike will bring a huge smile onto your face. The way the Honda Hornet drives is absolutely beautiful. It's smooth, it's refreshing. The refinement it offers to the rider is just, we don't have words to express the way the Honda Hornet engine is designed. The refinement and the simplicity this engine offers is absolutely awesome. It's designed to make the customer happy. It's designed to make the customer go for longer rides in a leisurely trip. And the way this bike looks and the quality is absolutely beautiful. The plastic finish, it feels nice. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. The switch gear, there's the horn, The switch gear, it's nice, you feel good. It's not a cheap plastic, guys. It's a very good quality. The clutch pull is really light. The clutch is light, the quality is good, the fit and finish is nice. The design is flawless. It's a really good job done by Honda. The 17-inch alloy wheel rolls on 110 section at the front and 140 section at the rear. This bike also features a premium underpinning in the form of the inverted front forks and the real preload adjustable monoshock. The brakes include a 276mm front and a 220mm rear pedal disc with single channel ABS at standard. I feel Honda have missed a big trick over here. With a tank capacity of 12 liters, it will provide a decent range. Considering the mileage is around 40 to 45 kilometers to a liter, I hope you can manage with this bike. So if you are planning for a long trip, you might have to take very less fuel breaks. So good job done by Honda. The likes of Apache RTR 200, Hero Extreme 200. In the same price bracket, you will find bikes like Bajaj 220F. Honda has really a tough competition in the market. But can Honda survive? I think yes. It's just not about the power figures. It's about how the bike delivers the power, how smooth the bike is, how refined the bike is. And on that aspect, Honda has done a good job. So kudos to Honda. We have got a great motorcycle. So what about pricing? This bike is available at 1.32 lakh ex-showroom Durgapur. So if you want to know the exact pricing, you can contact the number given in the description box down below. I feel this bike provides superior value for its money. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below.
I sincerely thank Vision Honda for giving me the opportunity to review their bike. Let's see what more bike they do have on offer. Now let's go ahead with the ride review.
Already it's very light. You can feel the smoothness of the bike instantly. But still, I think it's not the power or the top speed which we would be hitting every day, right? It's mainly about the drivability and the way the bike takes off and how the bike behaves in the mid-range. Trust me, right now what I am seeing is there is no vibration, there is nothing at all. It's very relaxed, especially the way I am sitting. The split seats adds to the comfort and also gives a bit of premiumness, especially the way this key is mounted. It is seen something in higher end bikes, especially in super bikes. You will see the key mounted like this, for which is a pretty good add-on for a commuting bike. The negative display is very clear and very easily seen in the daytime. I am having no problem as such to see the display. There is a gear position indicator, the fuel level, that's the RPM meter, the trip meter and the clock. So Honda have got all the basic covered. The ABS is restricted only to front wheel. The single channel unit is a big miss for Honda. Why Honda? Why? Why did you do this? You could have charged 5,000 more but could have given a dual channel ABS. So it's really a pity that Honda is missing out on a safety feature like this. Guys, it's really nice. I'm having a ball out here. Let's give a hard brake. Really nice, really nice. Hello doggy. He's having a party. The bike does have a very torquey middle end, especially the way the torque is delivered. It might not have the grudge and a speed of the likes of R15, but it does have the capacity to fight with them in the lower end. It feels so nice to drive, so smooth. I could drive this bike all day long without breaking my back. This kind of USD forks just come in high-end bikes, so there is a very good job done by Honda Motors. You can adjust the preload for the bike, while the front suspension does give very good confidence when you're trying to do a cornering. So any cornering junkie out there, you have a clear winner. The front brakes is nice and progressive. Yes, it does give a very good feedback. So how do you feel about the ride review? Do let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here we are at Vision Honda. Guys, if you want to book any Honda motorcycles, don't forget to visit Vision Honda. They provide great bikes. What are the pros and cons of this motorcycle? Let's start with that segment. Well, everything is positive in this bike. I have got n number of points to say what's good in this bike. The handlebars is wide and feels good. The quality is good. The headlight looks absolute beauty. It's like it's taken something from a Matrix movie. The indicators are LED. The drivability is smooth. The way the bike rides, the engine refinement is absolutely immaculate. I can go on and on, keep saying and good things about this bike. But when it comes to con, I do feel there is only one problem, which is single channel ABS. Honda have a winner in their hand. They decide to bring the dual channel ABS in the next update. So Honda, are you listening? So guys, here comes the final verdict. क्या ये बाइक आपको लेनी चाहिए? आपको क्या लगता है? Yes guys, you should go for this Honda 2.0. The engine is perfect, the way it drives, the handling is just immaculate. You will be a happy customer for sure. But guys, what I would recommend is to have a test ride of this bike and then feel the difference of how it drives. I'm sure this can win your heart as well. So guys, how did you like the review of the Hornet 2.0? If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share the video with your friends and subscribe to Automania. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं आपको नए ब्लॉग में नए बाइक के साथ. तब तक के लिए always wear your helmet when you're riding, wear your seatbelt while driving, and never ever drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da.